Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing great and are safe at home. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my reviews on the Alan Trumer Glow Brush. So I have been hearing so many people talking about this and I really wanted to see what's the hush hush so much about. So that's the reason why I ordered it. I ordered it long back, around 3 to 4 months back, and I had since then I've been using this. So I really love using this, and I thought of sharing this with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is how the packaging came in. I ordered it from Nykaa. There was a huge Nykaa box, and in that I found this Alan Trumer box. So talking about the price, it retails for around 3,500, but there was a discount going on, so I got it in 2,400 or something. I guess I'll put up the price somewhere up on the screen. So let us just dig into this. So this is what it looks like. It looks like too huge, but it is quite lightweighted. I would say it's not that heavy at all, which is good, because whenever you are working with your hair, you always need something light, just so that it is manageable and you can curl your hair. This is a plus point, that it is very lightweighted, and they have got a 360-degree rotating wire cap, I would say, and which you can use it wherever you want, and it's quite easy. So as for the speed, they have given few options below. You can just rotate this tab and select the options which you need. So there is low, middle and high. So coming back to what the product actually does, so this product is like a brush, hair styling brush, as well as a blow dryer. Whenever you are blow drying your hair, you use a brush, a styling brush, I would say. So this product is basically a combo of both. This is going to blow dry your hair, but at the same time it is going to style your hair in the way you want. So let me just show you a close-up of what actually the brush is comprised of. So as you can see, there are on this section there are normal, it's like just a regular brush, but there are also few tiny brushes inside which will be making your hair more smoother and shinier. So for those guys, I would just clear this, that this is not going to make your hair look straight or like a straightener. This is just going to make your hair more smoother and frizz-free. It does make your hair look like you have straightened your hair, but not much. The straightened hair look much more different one this product does. This will just make your hair more smooth and frizz-free and also shiny at the same time. So this was all about this product. So let me just show you how this product actually works. So I'm just going to divide my hair into two sections, just so that even you guys can see what before and after hair does. So I've just tied this section of my hair in a ponytail, just so that they don't disturb this section. So I have already washed my hair, and I have just allowed it to dry it on its own for 2 to 3 hours, because I usually don't prefer of using a blow dryer on my too much wet hair. I allow it to dry it by itself, and then after 1 or 2 hours I go ahead and apply and style my hair the way. First and most important thing, before applying any sort of heat to your hair, maybe it's a hair straightener, blow dryer, hair color, whatever it is, you always need to use a heat protectant or a hair serum. So I've recently started using this. This is the L'Oreal Dream Length No Haircut Cream. I made a Nykaa video on this, wherein I have ordered many things along with this. You can go check out that video as well. I'll put the link somewhere up for you guys. So I'll just apply this on my hair, and then we can start blow drying. So I'll just take the flicks on the other side, because maybe I'll style the flicks later on at the end. So I'll inform you guys beforehand only that this product is going to make a lot of noise. Let me just show you a demo. And if this starts speaking, you won't be able to hear me. So I'm just going to put on some music so that you can just watch me over. So first, let me just consider this position first. So this is the first section, as you guys can see, and it has quite made my hair quite smooth, and it does feel like I've straightened my hair. So it's time for the next section. It's time for the last section. This one, just look at the hair, guys. I mean, just look, this is so much frizzy and it has made my hair look so much smooth. Okay, so one section is done. So let me just remind you how this brush actually is. So on this section and on this back and the front section, you do not have the bristles, the small bristles which are there. The small bristles are present on the side. So that is the reason you need to roll your hair in such a way that your hair also gets rolled onto the sides. So for example, if I am taking this section of my hair, I am just going to use this like this. On the side, I'm going to place, and then from here, I'm just going to slowly brush my hair and take it away from my face. So this is how you are supposed to use this. So I'll just repeat it once again for you guys. So just take a small section, place the side of the brush where there are small bristles over here like this, and then whenever you on it, just brush it the way you want and move it away from your face. And at the end where your hair is just over, I always prefer to keep over here for 5 to 6 seconds more, just so that it gives my hair a wavy structure at the end. Maybe my style is to always keep it inwards. If you want, you can always keep it outwards depending on how you like. I'll just loosen up this section of my hair. So here is the before and after. So as you guys can see, I've got a quite curly hair. Like half of my hair is straight, but the rest of it is quite wavy and curly, and also the edges are, it's better that we don't talk about it. But this side of the section which I have used the blow brush, I would say, has become so smooth. It has made my hair look so smooth and frizz-free, and the edges, just look at this. This section has actually made my hair look much smoother and also shinier, I would say. This is because of the bristles which are there in the brush. And so let us start working on this section. As usual, I'm just going to take my flicks out of the way because I'm just going to style it later on at the end. So for the flicks, I usually prefer to curl it inwards. So I'm just going to do the same. But this time I'm just going to use a medium flame for this. So in just 3 to 4 strokes of the brush, just look what it did to my hair. I mean, isn't it good? At the end, what I prefer is, like, I usually take this serum. This is by LeBron, and just for that extra shininess, I'm just going to apply it. So now that I've showed you how to use this product, let us come to the conclusion of what are the things which I really like about this product and what are the things which I don't. The first thing which I really like about this product is that it is quite lightweighted. It is so much, like, you can, it's quite easy to, style your hair in the way that you want, and it is not that huge and bulky like the professional blow dryers and blow brushes are there. This is quite user friendly, I would say. The second thing which I really like about this product is that you don't have to use an extra brush or a separate comb, I would say. Like what people usually do is, like what even I used to do is, I usually have a comb and as well as a blow dryer. So I use that comb and the blow dryer at the same time, just so that I can curl my I can style my hair. It has got a comb as well as a blow dryer, which is really very good. So this is a plus sign, I would say. Next thing which I really like about this product is that it does not make my hair like too much straight. I would say, like that kind of a person who does not like my hair like too much straight all the time. Yes, on occasions I do like to straighten my hair, but this actually makes my hair look quite natural as well. It does not look like I have spent so many hours on styling my hair. So this is also the thing which I really like about this product. So the next thing which I really like about this product is that I do not need to spend so much time on just styling my hair. It's just 5 to 6 minutes for my entire hair. As you can see, I've got medium length. So 5 to 6 minutes is more than enough for me, and I'm good to go. And coming to the things which I don't like, the only thing which I don't like about this product is that it's quite difficult to clean this. Like, I'm not sure how the professional blow dryers or the blow brushes are being cleaned, but I'm facing a lot of hair fall nowadays, and the hairs are usually stuck in this, which is quite difficult. And I'm planning to I'm removing my hair separately, one single, but I don't think that helping me, I would say. It is quite difficult. So if you guys know how I can clean this brush, to let me know in the comment down below. I'm just finding few ways on how I can use this. Also, one thing I'm not sure of how this product is going to turn on extreme curly hair, because everyone at my home has got a smooth has got a baby or a curly, not too much curly actually, baby or a straight hair, but I'm not sure how this is going to turn on an extreme curly hair. So I'm sure that it is just going to make your hair much smoother, but I'm not sure, or I cannot say that it is whether it is going to make your hair look much straightened or no. And it is not a hair straightener; it is just a hair blow dryer, which is going to which will make your hair look much like a hair straighten in a natural way, I would say. But in and all, I would say this product is really must give it a try. If you guys have been wanting, if you guys want to style your hair the way you want, and also at the same time you don't want to spend money, so this is perfect. Like, you can style your hair at your home without going to any salon or anything. And for the price, I would say you guys might feel that it is too much. Like, currently I bought it on around 2,400, but it is just a one-time investment, I would say, and this would go on for a very long time. So this was all about the Allen Trumer Blow Brush. I really hope you guys find this video useful, and if you guys do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, do subscribe to my channel, and if you have already, thank you so much. So with that, I'll see you next time in another video. Till that time, take care and bye.